Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in Leetcode, which is Leetcode 144 binary tree preorder traversal. Preorder is basically, the meaning of preorder is basically you just have to print root, left and right. First you have to print the root, and if the left is exist, then you just have to print the left, or if it is not exist, then you just have to print the right. Okay, so first you have to print the root, means 1, and then after left, but there is null value, so you can't print it, then you just move to the right. Right means 2, and then to the left means this is the root 2, and then left 3, and there is nothing, so you just have to print 1 2 3. So this is one of the easiest question of a binary tree. First you have to write the preorder code, means in this question we use recursion, so you just have to pass the function and also create the vector and answer, which store the value of nodes, and after that you just have to return the answer. Okay, so let's write the recursion code of this. Is a void type, void preorder, preorder, and then you just have to pass the tree node star, which is root, and also pass the vector, and there's my answer. Okay, and then if you have to write the condition if root equals to null, then you just have to return. Okay, otherwise you just have to push back the value, answer dot push back root where. Okay, and then you just have to move the left and right, so you just again pass the function preorder root ka left and answer, and preorder root ka right and answer. Okay, let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this worked fine, so let's submit this code. This is submitted. Thank you for watching.